Hello and welcome back to Linux tutorial. I'm Imran and today we are going to start a new topic. Yesterday we talked about ls command. If you haven't watched that video, first go and watch that video because you can't follow us if you don't see. Our videos are like a chain. Okay, so go and watch that video and come back and see this video. So I'm opening the terminal. Yeah, it has been open. I think I will zoom it a little. Yesterday we talked about we learned about ls command. Okay, you have learned about ls command. Today we are going to start a new topic. It is cd command. Actually, cd command basically means change directory. It is the shortcut of change directory. C means change and D means directory, change directory. Like in the previous video, we were coming there to open this terminal. Okay, like I was coming to desktop to open terminal from here. Okay, from this place I was opening terminal from this place, but it is now we will learn how to come from the home directory direct to desktop directory. Okay, I will create a few folder here for you to be simple for you guys. I will create one by the name of ls commands, ls. Okay, inside ls I will create a few folders, one, another by the name of 2, 3, and inside one I will create a new folder. Okay, this new by the name of new, and another one by the name of old. They are directories. I was told you whenever we are opening the terminal, by default we are in home subdirectory. Okay, we are here now. This sign is this symbol show us that we are in home subdirectory. Just ls command will show us what are inside the subdirectory. Okay, see, there are the subdirectories inside the home directory. We can see this. Okay, now what we learned today in today's lesson about we talking about cd command. I want to come to ls desktop in first folder. I want to come here. Okay, in this place from home to here by using terminal. How I go there? Cd command, I told you, stand for change directory. cd. Okay, first list the commands. They are the commands. I want to go to desktop. Cd, name of the directory that you want to go. Desktop, just write desktop. Okay, I am pressing the enter, hit the enter button. And ls, what are inside the desktop? ls. Okay, I think we're not working there. Okay, wait, I will close it. I don't know if there was a problem inside here. I will open again terminal. ls. Sorry, I think the top the caps lock button was on. ls cd desktop, ls list of directories inside the desktop. I don't know why it's not showing there for us. Okay, ls, what is the problem? Oh, sorry, this directory name is ls. Actually we should change this directory name. Okay, I will change ls command. I was thinking why is wrong, it's not working there. Okay, so I changed it. Now see what are inside ls. We have inside desktop we have a folder by the name of ls command. I will create another one too, ls4, ls3. Okay, now see what are inside ls. ls we have two directory, other directory, one into folder directories. I want to go to this directory. Okay, just type here cd, change my directory. Where do you want to go? I want to go ls command directory. Okay, just press the enter button. Now ls, show me what are inside the this command directory. There are 3 other directories inside the command directory. Yeah, cd change my directory to 1. I want to go to this folder name, which name is 1. I want to go there. So now I'm in the directory by the name of 1. ls, show me what are inside. List those things which are inside the directory by the name of 1. ls, there are two other directories, okay, by the name of old and new. Old and new, okay, they are the two other directories, old and new. Just see here, I will show you. I will a little make the size bigger for you. In 1, okay, new, I'm in new cd. Just see cd new, where I am now. Just see there the location, okay. I'm in home, Zit, desktop, ls commands, first new. They are the direct path for us. How do we know? The another command that we have used there, I think you got the concept of cd command, that it will change my directory from one to another, okay. But what I'm gonna show you is the another command with pwd. It is stand for p mean print, p it means print working directory, present working directory, or print working directory. Print the path where I am, okay. Just hit the enter button, it will give me the same result as this directory path. Just see, I'm in home, Zit, desktop, ls commands, 1 in new, the same result. pwd stand for print working directory. Show me where I am, okay, where is the terminal now, okay. You learn about pwd. I think you got the concept of pwd. The another command with keywords or flags that we use with cd command, okay. I will clear this terminal and I will zoom it a little for you to show a little bigger, okay. I will close this one. I will make a little size bigger. Now we have another, we use some flags with cd commands, right. I have some flags. This flags, like the first flag that we're gonna use it, this dot dot, double dot, dot dot, this dot. Actually this dot, what worked there, okay. It means that now we are in new directory, okay. It will, for example, we will come back. I want to go back to the directory 1. I want to come here, okay. For example, just see, I will show in graphical form. You will learn good here, okay. I'm in new, okay. I want to go back to this one, okay. I want to come here, okay, here directly. What this do, this double dot will one step up, okay, back to the directory. Just hit the enter button to get the concept, okay. Now see, before we were in new directory, now we are in one directory. Just ls will show what are inside the one directory by the name of the directory with names once, okay. There we have another two folder. I want to show you, I want to go back to ls commands, okay. Just type cd dot dot, two dots, okay, double dot. Now I'm in ls command. Now I'm here, okay. Just type ls. Now see, in ls we have three other directories, okay, 1 2 3. They are the directory names that we had it in ls commands. Press ls to show us they show before for us, okay. Now I want to go back to the stop. I want to come here, okay. Now I'm in the stop. I'm here in this environment, okay. Type ls. What are inside the stop? Inside the stop we have two other directories, ls commands directory and ls3. The home itself is a sub directory, okay. It will not show for us there, okay. Just hit the enter button, sorry, okay. We'll close it. Just here and enter the hit button. See, we have two directories here. But if I want to go back to home directory, what should I do? I will type cd double dot. Now I am in home directory. Okay. Open home directory. There are the all directory lists which are inside home directory, okay. The desktop, document, downloads, music, pictures, public, template. They are the things which are inside the home directory. The another keyword or flags that we're gonna use with cd. I will clear first this terminal. The another flags that we do that we often use with cd command. It was one step back, but I don't want to come one step back. Okay, for example, ls cd desktop, ls cd ls command. Now I'm here, ls cd 1, ls cd 1. Sorry, okay, I will ls cd desktop, ls cd desktop, ls cd change the directory to ls commands. Okay, now I'm in this directory. Show me what are inside this directory. ls show me there are directory whenever 1 2 3. I will go to one directory. I don't want to go one step by step back. Okay, now for example I am in lscd new. I'm here. From directly I want to go to home directory. What should I do? What are the command? The another command that actually basically we use is this cd and this symbol. Okay, with this symbol it will directly if you use this command we will directly go back to home directory. Just hit the enter button to see what happened in the background. Now you see this symbol is for what? For home directory. We came back to home directory. ls it will show us all the directories which are home directory. Okay, you learn about, you got the concept of cd, this symbol. Okay, one thing is that it should not be left from us. We use cd. Okay, now I will not one day when I will write, for example I will write desktop. Okay, to go, I want to directly come to what? I want to directly come to for example this new folder. How I come in? I will open how I come to this new folder directly. Okay, there are a command for us. You should type, I will clear this terminal, cd. Now I'm in home. Okay, I want to directly come to a new directory that we have inside the ls command, inside the directory 1 is inside that. Okay, so directly how I go there, you should just type cd. Okay, cd desktop. If you don't type this, okay, I will first cd desktop desktop change directory desktop. Use this after that type ls command, after this I think 1. Okay, after 1 new. I'm coming directly to new folder. Now I'm in new. Okay, you see here I'm in new 1 commands desktop. I will show you the path. See this, follow this path for you. I will minimize it a little to show you in graphical form. For example desktop. Okay, ls, see the path there. Okay, from this place, see I will type here pwd print work directory. There are the directory path. Okay, see the path here too. They give us the same path. Just have a look. Home, Zit, desktop, ls commands, and what we ever see there. Okay, it is the same. Just you learn that we can do like this too. Now what I'm gonna show you something very important, another things not in use with this. For example, you want to find this directory desktop ls commands old. Okay, just copy this, control plus C, and come to terminal, open the terminal and just press control plus V. I don't know, maybe it's not working in Kali Linux, but if you want to find out the location, you can use it to find direct location. Open by, for example, home directory, laptop, commands, 1 new. Okay, just to show you here first see the path. We are here. Okay, if you want to see the path, open from this place the terminal or press F4 button. I will zoom it a little for you. And now press pwd, parent working directory, and see this path. Sorry. It will give us the same path. Okay, just I will see this path Zit whom Zit desktop ls commands old, and see here whom Zit desktop ls1 in old directory. One thing else that it will not live from us, it shouldn't live from us, that we use another flag with cd command. I will clear it, and cd, I will come back to whom directory, whom subdirectory, that it should not live from us. Cd, this one, this slash. Okay, this basically used to bring back us to the file system or the root folder. Okay, just learn about this, that it will bring us to the root folder. For example, now we are in the root. Okay, now for example we are in the root. I will tell you about this. Okay, what is this, but now your basic, it is basic, you are beginners, you will get confused with it. Just list what are inside this. You see there are the things which are inside the root file system. Just open it, see what we have in file system. We have here too. Okay, for example bin etc. They are the things that we have the same. Okay, in today we covered some important commands with cd. I will close it. Okay, back. I will open new terminal. Yeah, I will zoom it a little. Today we covered some basic one basic commands with some of the flag. It's so important for you should learn this. Okay, because it's very important. Cd dot dot, one step back. Okay, and cd means directory, and cd dot dot, come back one step. Also this command, it will bring us back to the home directory, and this to root directory. If you haven't seen that before, we do about ls and embedded command with ls. For example, happen a, happen l, happen h. If you haven't seen, first see that and come back. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. So one thing that I should tell you, okay, you should practice this a lot, then, because practice make perfect. No one is perfect. Okay, do not only learn from you. Okay, you can search internet, learn from internet. There are many books, you can learn books too, but I will work practically. Practically is most important than theory. Okay, you know better. So practice a lot to learn something. Thanks from your watching. Have a nice and beautiful day.